Welcome to Marine Electrical Made Easy. In this video, we will understand what neutral earthing is, what an NER is, and how it protects a ship's electrical power system during an earth fault. Neutral earthing means connecting the neutral point of a generator or transformer to the ship's hull earth. In a three-phase generator, the windings are normally connected in star connection. The common star point is called the neutral point. This neutral can be connected directly to earth or connected through a resistor called an NER. NER means Neutral Earthing Resistor. It is a special resistor connected between the generator neutral point and the ship's hull earth. Its main job is to limit earth fault current to a safe value. At the same time, it helps the protection relay detect the fault correctly. In this diagram, the generator windings are connected in star. The center point of the star connection is the generator neutral. This neutral point is connected to the ship's hull through the NER. Normally, so fault current flows through the NER. Now, suppose one phase cable touches the ship's hull. The fault current flows from the faulty phase into the hull. Then it returns to the generator neutral through the NER. This complete route is called the earth fault path. The NER controls the amount of current flowing in the path. During normal operation, there is no earth fault, so very little or no current flows through the NER. The generator supplies normal voltage to the main switchboard and all connected loads. For example, in a 440 volt system, the line-to-line voltage is 440. When the phase touches the hull, current starts flowing through the earth fault path. The current returns to the generator neutral through the NER. The NER limits this current in a safe level. At the same time, the earth fault relay senses the fault and gives an alarm or trip signal depending on the protection settings. When an NER and earth fault may produce a very high current can damage generator windings, cables, switchboards, motors and other electrical equipment. It can also increase the risk of arc flash and fire. The NER reduces the fault current and helps prevent serious damage. The NER works together with the earth fault relay. When fault current flows through the NER, the relay detects it. Depending on the system design, the relay may give an alarm first or trip the faulty feeder. This helps isolate the faulty circuit while protecting the rest of the ship's electrical system. To connect the neutral earthing resistor, connects the generator neutral in ship's hull through resistance. During an earth fault, it limits fault current and helps protection relays detect the fault. A proper maintained NER improves safety and protects the generator, cables, switchboards and shipboard electrical system. Thank you for watching Marine Electrical Made Easy. Thank you.